In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Grayzone Warfare on your PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and after that we need to search up this game quickly at Steam before we can continue to another website to download this game. So go to the Steam website and don't waste too much time over there, because we are going to download it on another website. Search up the game Grayzone Warfare and after that scroll a little bit down. Then you will find out that this game is currently €39.99 on Steam. But don't worry, we have a little workaround to save yourself a lot of money while downloading legit games online. So what you need to do is go to the video description, click on the link where it says find game here, and you will be redirected to this page. Now, we need to search up the same game, Grayzone Warfare. After that select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. The next step will be selecting a PC version, which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work. Then select the game, open the game page, and as you can see we can already download this game for just €24.93 compared to the Steam price of €39.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now once you have purchased this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game completely legally on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!